Welcome back to the channel guys, hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the SMC, that is the System Management Controller on your MacBook Air M2. These steps are same for every version of MacBook, that is M1, M2, M3 or M4. Air, Pro, it doesn't matter really. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to reset your SMC guys, that is System Management Controller. So first, shut down your MacBook completely. From the Apple logo, click on the shutdown bar and simply click on the confirmation shutdown. I have already created a video on how to shut down your computer or MacBook properly, so you can go and watch that as well. Now simply click on shutdown. Now press and hold the power button for 10 seconds, then release it. The power button is at the top of your screen right here, and wait a few seconds and press the power button again to turn on your Mac. This resets the SMC, that is System Management Controller, which can fix issues like battery problems, chip issues or performance glitches. And that's it guys, your MacBook Air M2 SMC is now reset. And if this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.